I'm not with you. I'm still, yeah.
That's fine, I'll back up. I'll go to the little town over here. Yeah, that's good. I see something purple already, dude. It's a rift. We can rift over there if we want to. Oh, dude, I just got a purple tack again! I had a gold one last game.
What that means, I'm getting circle again.
What?
I'm gonna win.
I'll land on the hotel, maybe. There's a guy going up there right now.
I'll meet you there, I'm coming.
Is there a guy going up there, or is he in the middle? He's in the middle section. I'm with you.
Teams, one's full, one's gonna be full. They're down the floor.
Well, don't go down there. Oh.
Oh, this is two teams.
What the fuck is happening? Grappler?
I'm honestly confused. Oh, just a minigun. I put something out. Hold it, yeah. Under.
Hold on, I'm popping a big pot.
He's right here.
Hold on.
Oh, where is he?
I don't know,
close.
dude.
I don't know.
He's outside. No, he is above.
above.
What the fuck? Dude, I'm so fucking confused. I'm up. I'm here. He's on you. Dude, help! Oh my god, dude. How am I alive? Grappler. That's twice I've heard rifts. They're landing on hotel.
Jeez.
They know I'm here. Hold on, I'm going down first.
One's fine. They split up. They split up. We go hotel or push this dude. Just push
He's
hotel,
on
push
me.
Hotel. Go up to hotel. Go up to hotel. Go up to hotel. Go up to hotel.
Dude, I'm one shot. I'm gonna die. He's dead, he's dead. Teammates in the middle. 60, I hit him for 60. Ooh! Dude, this tac shotgun's not fair. This thing hit. I just don't have full health. People fighting. Right here. They're weak. They're, third party at its finest. Landing on the house, grappling.
I'm throwing grenades.
Yo, one's down, push. Oh god. There's one guy, yeah, but there's... Yeah, you're good.
These pistols are crazy. Yeah, let's try to get to this bridge. If we can take it if we don't need it. Right here. What?
No.
Yeah, but there's another rift there. Did you take the rift?
Yeah, I did. Where are you? What the
I'm
fuck?
down, so I was just doing some dudes are 5 show.
Do they have a grapple? Because I hate this grappler gun, dude. It's horrible.
Red.
There's a rift. I'll
5.
take it.
There's a rift and a 5 grapple. Alright. We go take high ground and we put a porta bunker down.
I see loot down there.
If somebody's with us, I blow them up. You ready?
Yep. Wait, where are we going again? I'll just follow you.
High ground for a bunker somewhere.
Are we pushing them?
Like,
Oh, yeah. Take high ground. Land up here.
Alright, let's go.
What are they doing? They're so fucking stupid for that. Dude, I'm not down. I'm not down. Alright, and now I'm down. They're gonna rift. They rifted.
We saved you. Good. What the house? What kind of play was that?
I don't know, dude. 27. Alright, well, they just fucking gave us high ground. Let me port a bunker. Careful.
What?
I just told you, be careful.
What?
And I just got blanked.
You threw it right at me. You didn't even give me time to react.
I got sniped from somewhere, so be careful. Are they down there?
Over there.
Do you want me to get that supply drop for you and then leave?
Oh no, it would be good. You have rockets?
Yeah, I have 12.
Keep those right there.
Oh, right there.
Well, as long as we don't get wrapped up on
He's
or
sitting out in the open. What's he
yeah,
doing?
see, I just don't want to get sniped for shooting
Yeah,
him.
yeah, 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 yeah.
Yeah, see, as soon as I stop to fucking shoot him, there's somebody right here too. Here, come to me. These are free shots.
No, no, no. I think we should get the supply drop for you, dude. You're weak.
Shoot at that suit.
Can we please?
Is
I'm
it
gonna go
out
down.
here? Is it up?
Nothing good for you. Hmm. I have a rift for myself.
Yes. These are super split up. That
I'll
does
rift up
super
there.
right now. Force that fight.
I'm poured a bunker in again.
They're forcing.
In the sky. $54. He's white. Dude, that guy is white. Target that guy in the open. He's one shot in the air. Shoot him. No way he's still... Thank you, dude. Golly. At the house. Careful. 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 I said... Dude, chill with getting beamed.
I don't know what they're focused at.
They're fighting. Oh, he's one shot. He's down. That's the last guy. That's the last guy. Just stay up here and be... I'm gonna finish his teammate. Wait, no, 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 no.
His last dude, he's low, 100%. Look at him.
Oh, shit, dude. Of course. Alright, I can't get up there. Hold on.
Killed himself. Oh, no, I didn't.
He's white.
Arm kills him.
Dead.
That's the dude I cannot shoot at the sky.